not the cleanest product. Oh no, this again. Hi gorgeous, I have here the Glossybox Advent Calendar. It is huge and very heavy. The price of this one is 99 euros. If you are a subscriber, it is 85 euros. The products are in boxes inside drawers. In the first drawer, all of my boxes are upside down. And let's take door number 1. It is liquidy and also so lightweight. Maybe have a sheet mask? Nope. This one is the Benefit the Professional Super Setter. This was released this year. We have 30 milliliters and 2 cups. I don't like when we have 2 cups. Let's test the mist. Ooh, oh, it is very fine, very promising. Who doesn't love a very fine mist? This is a mini product. Let's go to day number 2. I'm gonna say a toner. I think it has the weight for a toner. I'm right. This one is the Pixie Skin Treats Glow Tonic, and it is an exfoliating toner with 5% glycolic acid. We have 100 milliliters. It is a full size. I have tried this one again. It is a very nice toner if you have sensitive skin. There's 3. Here it is. It sounds liquidy again. I'm gonna say a makeup remover. Oh my god, it's a palette. Where is the liquid? This is the 5 in a box mini eyeshadow palette by Catrice Cosmetics. This is in the shade 60 Vivid Burgundy look. It doesn't contain any microplastic particles, and this product is vegan and cruelty free. Catrice has some of my favorite drugstore products. I'm so happy that we have a palette. This is a very pretty color story. You can do something soft, also something more intense with this eyeshadow. Day number 4 now. I'm gonna say a body scrub. This is the Probiotics Loose Mineral Powder by the brand Seoul Clean. It is designed and formulated in South Korea, made in PRC, and we have a translucent powder. I'm very curious to try this. We have a shifter. I really want to see if this probiotic powder does something for my skin. I have used the probiotic serum by Catrice Cosmetics and it was great. This is a full size. Door number 5. And I'm gonna say a face primer. This one is a Professional Sebastian Dark Oil with jojoba and argan oil. And it is a shampoo. Why? Why do we always get mini shampoos? We have 50 milliliters. It smells fantastic. It reminds me of the beach and the sun. Up next, door number 6. Oh, it's lightweight. I think it is a lipstick. And these are the Dr. Babor Lifting Cellular Collagen Booster Cream. Let's see how small it is. It is a mini and we have 20 milliliters. It doesn't say if this is for a specific skin type, dry skin, oily skin. And then we have door number 7, which is huge but very lightweight. I have no clue. These are the Doctor's Cosmeceutical Skincare Formula Brighten Up Ampoule for Age Spots and Hyperpigmentation. These are paraben free and vegan. So it seems like we have glass ampoules. I'm the worst with this type of product. I'm always breaking the glass in the ampoule. So I'm not gonna keep this for me. I also don't have dark spots, so these are going to my mother. Door number 8. It sounds broken. I think it is a sheet mask. Oh my god. I'm wrong again. This is the Real Hair I Am Strong Definer Brow Pencil. We don't have a sheet name. That's super weird. Let's open this. There is a number on the product, 21149. On one side we have a twistable brow pencil and this is a very light color. On the other side we have a spoolie. This one is not gonna work for every brow hair color. Also it doesn't have a great color payoff. You can see if I blend it we lose the intensity. Door number 9. I'm gonna say a lip pencil. This is the Nuvega Lash Revitalization Serum. Let's see how it looks. Ooh, it's very pretty. This one is a full size. Oops, how do I open this? Wrong way. It is like an eyeliner. Oh, have some fibers on my eyeliner, not the cleanest product. And you can apply this on the roots of the eyelashes. I hope we don't have any more fibers. I don't see more of them. Moving on to day number 10. I think it is a lipstick. I was very close. This one is the Steve Laurent lip gloss in the shade Champagne. I think we have seen this brand before in BoxyCharm. It has a very light sweet chemical scent, and you can use this color with any lipstick basically. Here we have door number 11. I think it is an eyeliner. Nope, this one is the Skin & Co. Roma Ultra Moisturizing with Umbrian Truffle Hand Cream. This one is made in Italy. We have 15 milliliters. It is a mini size. For some reason it smells like honey. Door number 12. This one is heavier. I'm gonna say a face palette. Oh my god, I found it. This is the Wonder Beauty Trip for 2 Blush and Bronzer Duo. We never say no to palettes. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, so we have a blush and a bronzer. I think they are very light. Even though they look very light in the pan, you can intensify the color and apply more product. So maybe this one can also work for medium complexions. I don't think for darker. After that we have door number 13. It's very lightweight. I'm gonna say a sheet mask. Wrong again. And this one is the Daily Hammam Mid Lifestyle Size, and it is by the brand Daily Concepts. This one is organic and biodegradable, also vegan and cruelty free. I'm curious to see what it is. It's not a very soft material, maybe so you can also exfoliate your skin. It is nice that you can wash it in the washer. Door number 14. I hope it's not a sharpener. Oh no, this again. This one is the Deep Sleep Pillow Spray by the brand This Works. We have 5 milliliters. This is a mini product. If you have issues with sleeping, it is better to go to your doctor. I'm not the biggest fan of sleeping sprays, and we have them every year in the Glossybox Advent Calendar. Door number 15. I'm guessing it is a lipstick.
Oh no.
Nope, this one is the Zoeva Infinite Potential Mascara. This one can give full volume, mascara volume. We have it in the color black. Let's see what applicator we have. Ooh, it is super pretty. Very elegant design. And how about the spoolie? Oh, okay, so we have an hourglass spoolie with some natural bristles. This is the type of spoolie that works better for my lashes. I'm happy that we got it. Door number 16. I'm hoping it's not a keychain. It's not. This one is the Black Magic Liquid Eyeliner in black, and it is by the brand Aiko. The packaging is super pretty, and this one is a full size. We have a brush tip applicator, and I'm going to let it on my skin for a few seconds. It is also transfer proof, and it has a shiny finish. It's not completely matte. Here we have door number 17. This one has a scent. Maybe it is a mini candle.
Nope.
This one is by the brand La Vera Natur Cosmetic. It is a German brand. This one is a soap for your skin and your hair. Ugh. It doesn't smell so nice. We have 50 grams of product. This one is a full size. Up next, door number 18. I think it is a gel eyeliner. Oh my god, it's a nail polish. I wasn't expecting nail products. I don't know why. This is a nail polish by Essie in the shade Bustling Bazaar. I love this color a lot. It's not so Christmassy. This one is a full size. Door number 19. I'm gonna say a face scrub. This one is the 8-hour retexturing and antioxidizing hyaluronic facial serum by the brand Avant. This brand is very, very expensive. Door number 20. Oh, this one is soundless. I hope it's not a filler product. We have a necklace by the brand Six, and this one is zircon. We don't have more information about the chain. The little gem looks nice. Door 21. I'm gonna say a brush. This is the Elemis Pro Collagen Energizing Marine Cleanser. and it is anti-aging and also a mini product. We have 30 milliliters. It doesn't say for which skin type. Door 22 here. I hope it's not a sharpener. Oh, it's a lipstick. This one is the antimatter lipstick in the shade Back by the brand La Masqua, and I brought mine. Let's swatch this one. This is a very beautiful shade. I have it from a Glossybox box. This lipstick can look very nice with the eyeshadow palette that we got by Catrice Cosmetics. Moving on to day number 23, I'm gonna say a lip balm. What is this? This one is the holographic stick Supernova. It is a multi-use illuminating stick by the brand Milk Makeup. We have a mini product. I'm very curious to see the holographic effect. You can use this as a base for a powder highlighter. This one is very blendable. It has like a slippery consistency. Door 24 is behind this here. This one is heavier and fully packed. I think it is a nice shadow palette. Oh my god, it's huge. Super gorgeous. This one is the I Am a Woman Watch Your Superpower 24-piece eyeshadow palette by the brand Seattle London. Oh my god. So I have tried the formula of the Seattle London eyeshadows. It is very nice. Basically you have all of the eyeshadows that you want to create everyday smoky eye looks. Maybe we could have a different color story for the Catrice palette. However, we don't have all of the same eyeshadows. I like the variety of this advent calendar and I'm gonna give it 4.5 stars because of the mini products. Let me know in the comments what is your favorite product of today's video. Mine is the nail polish. I like the color, and you can watch next the Maybelline Advent Calendar. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!